let him waste his. I don't see. Oh, there it is. Okay, it just did not render in for a minute.
I'll be under the Savannah Bridge in a couple seconds. So...
No.
Oh, never mind then. Y'all got that.
Oh shit! Nope. I'm out. I don't even have red on my screen right now. I am sorry.
That?
The
Middle
anthill.
Savannah.
Anthills.
Are you guys able to get it, or do you need more?
Yeah,
Okay.
I need to tell. Like one more shot, even like a collision hit, would be detrimental to my ass right now. He looks pretty fucked up.
Let's see here.
Well, I don't think it heals as long as he's in combat.
It does.
It does.
It does.
Oh, it
It's
does?
just the
What
lamp.
fuck?
Yeah.
Oh, why did I keep saying? That's dumb as hell. I mean, even then.
I mean, just make them bleed. Bleed stops the heals.
That won't heal him much though.
Yeah, so like it's a continuous attack.
You can out DPS the heal, I
Oh,
think,
he's
now,
dead.
right?